What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having an awesome day whenever you're watching this. Today we're just going to be doing a little exhaust video on my 2008 Acura TL Type S. I got this car about 5 or 6 months ago now. Love it so far, but as far as the exhaust goes, I did a mid muffler and both of the rear mufflers deletes. I put these dual 3.5-inch Upower tips. Just got them off Amazon, but I still think they're pretty nice, as you can see right there. Eventually what I want to do is get a resonator delete, then get valves to mufflers so I can shut them on and off to be quiet when I'm doing long trips, and then do dual tome in the back instead of the tips. Also, just as a side note, if you guys are new here, welcome to KJ Lifestyles. I do a lot of stuff surrounding sports cars, supercars, hypercars. Make sure you check out all my other videos. I'd love to have you, and click that subscribe button so we can continue to grow. Without further ado, let's get into some exhaust clips, some startups, some revs, and I'll do some flybys too. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, so we're back parked up here in the garage. Hope you guys enjoyed that little exhaust video. Definitely more to come with this car in the future. As I mentioned before, if you're new here and you like car content, I'm also going to do some watches and some traveling stuff too. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Definitely love to have you, and it's going to help to grow the channel. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. Also check out some of my other stuff. I got some really exclusive content from a bunch of different dealerships and all that type of stuff, and definitely going to be doing a lot more in the future. But just like that, this video is over. Make sure to be kind, be happy, and be grateful, and I'll see you in the next one.